afternoon, everyone. Choose a blessing. Today I will be making some curry chicken. I have them here in some water. I squeezed some lime and I put some vinegar in already. Now I'm going to get them clean up. Thanks for watching. Be cooking some curry chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, now I cut up my seasoning to put into my chicken, and these are all my seasoning I'm going to use. So I'm going to put all the seasoning into the chicken. Stay for more. Put all my seasoning in. Now I'm going to put all the dry ones in. And now I put all my dry seasoning in. I'm going to mix it up. And I'm making curry chicken. I'm making curry chicken. See? Getting all seasoned up. Going to make it rest for a while. And I'm going to prepare the carrots and the potatoes to put into it. And I leave my green onion. I'm going to get some thyme. Forgot to do the fresh thyme. Going to take out that. Stay tuned. Coconut oil in the pan. This is what I use. Let it warm up. And I'm going to put some curry powder inside. Here's my curry powder, cool running. It heat up, burn the curry a little, then I put the chicken in. Now I'm putting the chicken in. Sorry about the noise with the pan. Okay, now I put the chicken in the pan. Did not put all of the seasoning. When it cooked down, then I put the rest of the seasoning in. This is my curry chicken. Stay tuned. I'm going to pour some coconut milk. And the seasoning. Oops. Put the dry seasoning in. Put potatoes, the thyme and carrots in. The thyme and the potatoes and the carrots. I'm going to take this one out. And that's it for now. I'm going to make it boil down. Then I show you after how it comes out. Now I'm going to put on some white rice and do some vegetables. And I'm going to sprinkle some green onion. This is my curry chicken. Sorry about the noise of the fan. This is my curry chicken, coconut milk. Cooking some white rice just a piece of butter and some scallion. And here is my curry chicken. This is my curry chicken. Some potatoes and carrots. Smells so good. Let it boil down some more. Stay tuned for more. Some greens. Bok choy. They call it bok choy. Baby bok choy. Some greens and some broccoli. Now I'm going to put my green in. My onion and my garlic with some butter. Having this with the curry chicken and rice. I put some broccoli on top so it can steam with the baby bok choy. I'm gonna cover it, let it steam. My curry chicken is cooking, simmering down, almost ready. And my rice steaming, almost ready.